Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nelka Rapo again, and today we will answer one request or question from our friend named Ahmed Atra. Okay, so Ahmed said, Dear Nelka, I hope this message finds you well. Thank you sincerely for your insightful videos and practical tips and dialogues. They've been incredibly helpful. Yeah, thank you so much also for watching. I am currently working on the first lighting layout for the fire water tank and would you greatly appreciate your advice. I have attached the initial attempt and I suspect there are several mistakes and areas for improvement. Could you kindly guide me on how to properly create a 3D lighting arrangement in Dialogs? Any suggestion or correction would be appreciated. Okay, so Ahmed, okay, he attached this Dialogs Ibo file and I already opened it and it looks, wow, looks good. Okay, Ahmed, I think this is good. The only improvement that I would like to suggest is, first is the luminaire looks so big. Okay, if we go and measure it, it looks like a street light with 0.70 or 70 centi length. That's why it's too bulky. You can check small luminaires for this one. And if the purpose of your lighting is to light the ledge like this one, then maybe you want to achieve 100 lux and it looks like you achieve 100 lux. But 100 lux in a ledge is okay, fine. 100 lux is good for pathwalk and for walkway or for corridor. So this is good. So I just want to suggest to change this one, the luminaire, into smaller version and make it wider, like a wide beam optic, because I think this is a street light. Yeah, this Jewis brand is a street light. And of course, you can also use this one. See, this one is a batwing. Yeah, okay, this one is good because you can see this one is that is 75 lux, I think. And then it's 50. Okay, this is fine. Same optic, this is good, but change the fitting because it's too bulky. And then for this one, going to up is okay. Yeah. If you cannot find a luminaire like this one, maybe you can just use a bulkhead and mount it in the, yeah, because the intention is only to light up to make the people safe when they walk to this ledge, right? And also for the staircase, yeah, see, this is look at that. The luminaire is almost on that edge of the tank because of the size. So for the staircase, I think this is also good. I think it's safe now to go down and up using that luminaire. So yeah, just make sure you selected a smaller version because that street light is too big. Or maybe because of the scale model only. That's why it's too big. If it's small in the actual, then it's fine. But if it's 70 centi long, can you imagine can you imagine a 70 centi long luminaire mounted on the pole? That is too bulky for this application. Okay, so I think this is good. And if you want to improve more of this one, you can also put some floodlights here. Maybe this water tank has, signboard, something to highlight like a print of this water tank, maybe the location or the brand or the company owning this water tank. Yes, you can maybe put some linear floodlight and wash it down like this to highlight the logo or the brand or something. And yeah, this is already good. Keep up the good work. This is already good. Okay, so yep, that's all for now. And Ahmed, if you want to learn more, go and check my Udemy courses about lighting design. There are some lighting design courses and different applications here at www.udemy.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel and press the notification bell so you will get updated with all my new videos. And then, of course, if you want to read books, go and check some of my books in Amazon.com, and yeah, you can check this one later on. Okay, and what else? Of course, go and check my website, www.enrocolightingdesigns.com with S, lightingdesigns.com. And maybe you will inspired with some of my latest project here. So go and check this one. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye.